Right. Carburetor's rebuilt. I've done 3 flushes on the cooling system. It's still very, very, very much that color, but it's getting better. It was a much darker red before. It's the same color as the engine. This is the only radiator hose that I ordered today that would fit. It's for this car, but remember the alternator's in the wrong spot. It should be over there. So I need to figure out a different shaped hose that's got an extra couple inches here, and preferably a molded rubber one. But this is the only hose that would fit that I ordered today. So I just need to go and figure out what kind of radiator hoses are different lengths. What is going on? Why is that? Why does that have brake fluid on it? Don't tell me this master cylinder popped. Oh, it's still full. That's probably just some residual brake fluid from inside the booster from when it did pop. Oh, we'll see. It looks pretty freaking wet down there. I don't know if you can see it. Right there looks pretty wet. Oh, great. Great. I'm gonna have to pull that master and see if it's puking. Son of a bitch. Alright. I'll pull that real quick. Make sure it's not leaking. But the carburetor's rebuilt. Cooling system is being flushed. Now keep in mind for how bad this thing runs. It is 30-year-old gas. It runs very well for 30-year-old gas. Starts right up. Motor's not bolted down to the mounts yet either. You can see on the hood. Got a bit of a mist to it, and you can feel it. But the mist is only at idle. Once you get up in the revs, it goes away for the most part. Belts need to be tightened up, but it sounds pretty good. Not super loud. It does smoke just a hair. And you can hear that mist. Again, this is 30-year-old gas. This is 30. And I'm talking, it's actually 31-year-old gas. Because this is the last service that was done to it at 62,385, and we're at 62,557. So that's a difference of 180 some miles, 170 miles ish. And that date, oh sorry, oil and filter, it's 62388. So. Oh, there it is. Gas. Last time he got gas was 62385. So that's a couple miles ago. 1995. 1995. So 31-year-old fuel. So yeah, it needs fresh gas. I don't know how much is even in here because fuel gauge is shot. Because the gas wiped it out, probably. So we're gonna work on getting. Horns work though. Little bit of a rattle, which is okay. I rebuilt them, so I can live with that. But anyways, not too shabby for 30-year-old gas. and a quick little refresh on the carburetor. I'm gonna wait till I get some fresh gas in this thing, and then we're gonna fine tune it. I hope that master cylinder isn't leaking. I'm gonna pull it right now and take a peek. But yeah, that's where we're at.